Hey YouTube, it's your girl Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, then hey, what's up? My name is Ashley and I hope you guys join the fun, join the crew, join the squad, and hit that subscribe button down below. And if you're one of my OG subscribers, then welcome back to my channel. Okay, so in this video I have a Fashion Nova Curve try on haul, or a plus size Fashion Nova haul, whatever you guys want to call it. I got some super cute pieces that I was supposed to be wearing on my vacation, but homegirl Corona was like, no baby girl, you are not going nowhere. So now I got all these cute clothes to wear to my kitchen and to my living room and to my garage, and I wanted to come and show you guys those pieces. So if you guys are interested in seeing the pieces that I got from Fashion Nova Curve, then keep on watching. Okay, so the first outfit that I have is this two-piece biker short set. So it comes with this really cute crop top here. So this is what the crop top looks like. It's like a tank top, but yeah, it's cropped. And then it also comes with a pair of biker shorts as well. So this is what these shorts look like. I got this set in a 2X. I got everything in a size 2X. That is my regular size. I order my regular size when I shop on Fashion Nova. On certain websites I do up my size. I do size up, but for Fashion Nova I just order my regular size. So these are what the shorts look like. I really like this outfit. I love this outfit because you can wear each piece by itself and it can be cute. And even as an outfit, like, you can dress it up and dress it down. So you can rock this with a pair of heels and a cute chain bag and make it look really glam, or you could dress it down with some sandals and a jeans jacket and still look super cute. So I love it for that, and this fits really great. I will link all of the items down below, and the size and the prices will be on the screen because I don't remember off the top of my head. But yeah, that is the first outfit. Okay, so the second thing that I have here is this lime green ruched skirt. This is what it looks like. You guys, I love this skirt. It is so cute on. It is just so cute and definitely screams like a vacation vibes. Like, this is so cute on the beach or by the pool. Like, girl, I really wish I had one on my vacation because this would have been so cute. So this is what the skirt looks like. It is a midi skirt and it has this ruched mesh on the front, but it does have a lining underneath, and you guys will see it in the try on portion of the video. But yeah, I also got this in a size 2X, and this fits really well. It does fit high-waisted also, and I just really like how it looks. Like, it's so cute, and the color is perfect for the summer. Okay, so this next piece of clothing that I have, you guys, I absolutely love, and it is these striped pants. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love these pants so much. They are so cute, and like the biker short set, you can dress this up or dress it down. So this is what it looks like. This is also in a size 2X. Fashion Nova does have these in different color arrangements, but I went with the pink one because my favorite color is pink, so of course I went with the pink one. And what I love about this is that it also comes with this like faux belt, so you can kind of tie it in the front, and you can tie it in a cute knot, or you can make a bow, or however you want to do it. This is what the back looks like, and it has a bit of a flared bottom. I wouldn't necessarily call it a bell bottom, but it does kind of flare at the bottom. And I am 5'3", and I find that when I wear these like high-waisted, they are like a tad bit short. Like, it kind of sits above my foot instead of on my foot or dragging on the floor. So be mindful of that. If you are taller than 5'3", you might find that this is a little bit shorter. If I wore this more mid-rise or low-rise, it would definitely be the length I want it to, but I will be wearing this high-waisted. I think this would be so cute with like a white bodysuit. I want to get a white bodysuit just to wear with this because I feel like the white would really make these colors pop. So yeah, these are these pants. Okay, so the next outfit I have, I think, is my favorite outfit that I got from Fashion Nova, and it is this black pants and crop top set. So this is what the crop top looks like. It's just a regular crop top. It has like a deep back, on it, and these are the pants. They are just these black pants, but what I love about it is that it has a bell bottom. Like, the bottoms are bell bottoms, they flare out, it fits so nice, it is super flattering. The pants are high-waisted and I just love it. And like the other two-piece set and the pants, you can dress this outfit up or you can dress it down. Like, I cannot wait to rock this because it is so cute. Fashion Nova does have these in other colors. I did remember seeing a red one. I can't remember if I saw a blue one, but I definitely saw red, and I do want the red set as well, so I'll probably go back and order that as well. One thing I will say about the pants is that they are a little bit see-through, and I think you guys are able to see that in the try on portion of this video. They are a tad bit see-through, so just be kind of mindful of what you're wearing underneath, because if you're wearing bright yellow panties, people will be able to see it, so be mindful of that. But other than that, I absolutely love this outfit. Like, it is so cute and it is super flattering, and I think it'll look great on all body types. Okay, so moving on, we're now going into some of the dresses that I got from Fashion Nova, and the first dress I have here is this yellow ruched dress. You guys, this dress is so beautiful. It is coming up more orangey on camera, but it is it's like a burnt yellow color. I guess you can say it's almost orange, but I feel like the camera is making it look a little bit more orange than it actually is. But yeah, this is what the dress looks like. It has a spaghetti strap on one side and like a regular strap on the other side, I guess you can say. And then it just has this really nice ruching effect that goes all the way down to the bottom, and then it also has this like frilly piece of fabric in the front that kind of just sways when you wear it. It is so cute. It is very flattering. I would probably wear this dress with some type of shapewear. I'm not wearing any shapewear in any of the try on portions of this video, but some of these outfits I would definitely recommend wearing shapewear just to give you that added look. You don't have to, but I would probably wear some shapewear this just to kind of tuck my belly in a little bit more. But this is this dress, I absolutely love it. I was supposed to wear this dress for my birthday on vacation, but it didn't happen, so kind of sucks. But I love this dress, and you can definitely dress this up with like a cute pair of heels and a cute purse. So yeah, this is this dress. Okay, so the next dress I have is this super cute burnt orange slash peachy colored dress. On camera it is looking more corally and reddish, but it definitely has more of an orange tone to it. It has this cute detailing on the straps, and it has this ribbed effect. It is really cute. It's a little bit longer than a midi dress, but I absolutely love it because it's just a perfect casual summer dress. You can pair this with a cute cardigan or jeans jacket. I feel like this will look really cute with a jeans jacket and like some white Vans or like Converse or something. Like, I feel like that would look so cute. But yeah, I absolutely love this dress, and I really like the length that it is a little bit longer. It's not too short, so if you're somebody who is kind of self-conscious of wearing dresses above your knee, then this is a perfect dress for you. And the little added touch on these straps I think is super cute as well. So this is this dress. Okay, so the next dress I have, I am totally in love with. Like, I love this dress, and it is this yellow floral dress. You guys, I absolutely love this dress so much. It's so cute. It has spaghetti straps at the top that can be adjusted. So this is what it looks like, and it does have adjustable straps at the back so that you can go ahead and make it tighter if you need it to. And it also has a little slit at the back as well. Let me see if I can show it to you guys. So yeah, there is this little slit at the back as well, which I thought was just a cute little touch to make it more sexy. But yeah, I really love this dress. This is a dress I'd probably wear some type of a shapewear with as well, just to give a nicer silhouette. But of course you don't have to if you're not a shapewear person. But yeah, I really love this dress. It is so cute and can be easily dressed up or dressed down. I think this would be cute with some really nice sandals, a nice necklace, a nice purse, and you are good to go. So yeah, I'm really feeling this dress. Okay, and last but not least, I have this really cute pink corally tube dress. So this is what it looks like. This dress is like a midi dress, and this is how the top looks like. It's just like a tube dress, and it has a little bit of ruching here in the front. It also comes in with a built-in like bra almost, so you don't necessarily have to wear a bra with this. I am wearing a bra in the video, but I would definitely wear this with a bra, with a nice strapless bra. So that is what this looks like. It is a very fitted. It definitely doesn't have as much stretch as the other dresses. It does have stretch, but definitely not as much. It's definitely like a form fitting dress, but I like that because it kind of just holds everything in place. So yeah, this is what this dress looks like. I absolutely love it. It also has that ribbed detailing as well. So yeah, I really like this dress too. So I know we said we were done, but I am done with the clothes. But I did get a accessory piece from Fashion Nova, and it is this fanny pack. You guys have been wanting a fanny pack since fanny packs came back in style for the past few years now, and I finally was able to get my hands on one of Fashion Nova's fanny packs. So I think it's super cute. It wraps them on really well. This fanny pack is definitely plus size friendly because it definitely fits around my waist. It just has one little pocket here, or one zipper here at the top where you can fit stuff in, and of course it says a Fashion Nova at the front. And in the video I paired it with the last dress that I showed you guys, and this can be worn with anything. Like, it's a fanny pack, it goes with any outfit pretty much. So yeah, this is the fanny pack. So those are all the pieces that I got from Fashion Nova. I am so excited to rock them this summer. Although we don't really have anywhere to go, I will happily wear them to my kitchen and to my living room and to my backyard and wherever else I'm going. So yeah, like I said before, I will link all of the pieces down below as long as they're still available, as well as the pricing and the size and everything. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below and tell me what your favorite outfit was. My favorite outfit was the two-piece pant set, the black one with the bell-bottom pants. Like, that is my favorite, but let me know which one was your favorite outfit. Comment down below, and make sure you guys are subscribed because I have another plus size try on haul coming up very soon, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. See you guys in my next video. Bye.